Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to make tools if you don't have those. So this is cutting wire, and then if you don't have it, you can use dental floss. It would work for that purpose. Rolling pins to make a slab. If you don't have those, you can use a bottle. And what else? Okay, so the rib, it's really important part of the ceramic to have nice rib. So if you don't have one, use the old credit card and cut it and shape it like that. It works really perfectly all right. So the other tool is a scoring tool. This one is really nice. You can use toothpicks instead, or like fork, or even if you have plastic knife like that, you could work this part of plastic knife. What else? Okay, so this one, the carving tool to make our designs. Here's another one. If you cannot get one, let's make one. So you can have a paper clip or piece of wire like I have, and cut it and like bend it, shape it the way you want. You can use pliers again. So if you have old cork attached in here, so that could be really easy way to make a carving tool. And you can also use like small screwdrivers for something if you have those. Wooden sticks, and just you be creative on that part. And thank you so much for watching this video.